how do you get free traffic for your website, right? You're building your website and you know you need to drive traffic to it, and doing ads can really cost you a lot. So, how do you set up free traffic that comes in every single month, every single day on autopilot that you only set up one time so that it's just bringing in passive new leads or passively bringing in new leads? The leads are not passive. And is passively bringing in new leads for you every single day, not just leads, but highly targeted people who are your perfect avatar. They are the people that are most likely to convert, and they're coming in already knowing, liking, and trusting you because you've already delivered such amazing content to help them. So, how do you do that? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. So, I'm really excited to help you with that. It's something that I started way back in 2007 when I was first online. I started using YouTube. Now, I see you there. Don't worry, you don't have to be a YouTuber. Actually, I don't really recommend trying to become a YouTuber. It's a lot of work and it honestly doesn't pay very well unless you get super lucky and become someone like Mr. Beast or Rosanna Pansino. What you want to do is use YouTube as a platform to drive highly targeted leads to your business, to the product that you want to sell, whether it's your own product or service or even affiliate products and services. You can use YouTube to set up evergreen ads. And how do you do this? You provide really valuable, good content that's going to help your perfect avatar, and they're going to start to get to know, like, and trust you. And then you have a call to action in your videos where you're going to send them to help them even more. And that will be to your product, your service, or the affiliate product that you're promoting. And the really cool thing is you don't even have to be on camera. You could literally just have a slideshow that delivers really great content. So it's helpful. It makes people trust, know, like the company or like your YouTube channel. And then it builds up this deep desire, wanting to go check out the product or the promotion that you're offering. And one of the ways that I did this over the years is I first learned how to just talk on camera. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to do it is just imagine that you're talking to your best friend. Like I said, though, you don't actually have to be on camera to be successful on YouTube. So if you feel more comfortable starting out with just a slideshow, just create like a PowerPoint, record it, and upload that. That is perfectly fine. If you want to start engaging, and when you engage, you will get fans that become loyal buyers, like loyal members of your community, then start practicing by just looking at the camera. But imagine you're talking to one person. Don't do what a lot of YouTubers do that say, hey guys, how are you doing? That's not one person. You want to talk to one person. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're delivering really great content. So let me give you an example. I'll give you 3 different examples of how you can do this. Let's say you have a business. This is one of my businesses where you're helping parents raise money smart kids. Okay. So I have members who are members of mine, and they are parents who want to raise money smart kids. So they were looking for information about teaching children about money. Well, I have videos that help them, first of all, get their kids excited about wanting to learn about money, and then finding ways that kids can make their own money, and then how the kids can manage their money to really become money masters, and so on. And I would just create videos that would solve one of these problems per video. And that would create this reciprocity feeling where I had helped them with one issue, and now they felt they wanted to give back to me. So that's a beautiful thing about using YouTube, is that your viewers are going to feel so grateful for the information you give them that they're going to want to support you and your business. If they had the choice between somebody else's product or yours because you helped them, they want to help you, right? So that's how that works. Now, a second example is I have a cake decorating business, or I had one before I ended up in a coma and woke up as a disabled lung person who could no longer bake. But before I did, what I did is I would make cakes for people. I didn't actually have a cake decorating home business, but I just had a hobby that I enjoyed doing. And what I did is I took photos and images and videos of making the cakes, and then I built a business showing other people how to decorate cakes, right? Because I like this thing called passive income. So, I wasn't big into having a cake decorating business where you get paid for your work, because that's a lot of work. But I like the idea of earning money over and over and over again when I've done the work only once, right? For example, I have a how to bake a cake video here on my channel. has over 7 million views on it and has earned over $10,000 for me for a cake that cost me $20 to make and 3 hours to bake, record, upload, and that's it. So that's the kind of business you want. So an example of the content I would give is I would give videos where I would just share my favorite cake recipes or cake decorating tips or cake decorating, styles, and also a couple of how to make money from cake decorating. So I was giving good content, and then in exchange, I would have a call to action saying, hey, if you want this thing about cake decorating, head over here. And they would head over here because they knew me, they liked me, they trusted me. They knew that the recipes I gave them, they tried them, they worked, they were yummy, so they wanted to support me while they're learning more about what they want to learn about. And then the third example is I help people like yourself, entrepreneurs, building online businesses. But my main goal is to help you create passive income from your talents and passions with your business. Because as I know, when I ended up in this 3-week coma and then woke up as a seriously disabled lung person, you can probably hear on my voice right now, I knew that I had a limited amount of physical energy. So I had to be very smart about how I built my business. So I had to set everything up where I would do something one time and it would earn money for me over and over and over again every single month with very minimal management. And so when I learned how to do this, I thought, well, you need to know how to do this because you never know what happens in life. And you want to set yourself up for true financial freedom where you're still sharing your message with the world, making a difference with your business, but not wearing yourself down to the bone, right? And so I would do videos showing how to build a website, how to set up automated evergreen traffic, how to do these different things to help you with your online business. And then people would feel thankful because I was helping them. And then they would want to automatically look at whatever I was offering, because if somebody was going to teach them, they wanted it to be me because they already knew that they could trust me, that I sincerely wanted to help them. If this is making sense, if you're starting to get some ideas for yourself, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, because I love reading your comments and answering back and seeing how I can help you. All right, so now you have some really easy ideas of ways that you can create free content that is going to get people interested in wanting to buy what you want. So now the question is, how do you get evergreen free traffic for your website? So you're creating these videos on YouTube. YouTube is actually a search engine and it's owned by Google, the biggest search engine in the entire world. So whenever somebody types into Google, how to bake a cake, for example, my video of how to bake a cake comes up first because I have learned over the years a couple of tricks that make my videos rank first, and because Google knows two things. First, it knows that most people want a video as the option when they're looking for some information. Most people, not everybody, but most people prefer to have a video to have a look at. Some people prefer to have text, but majority video. So we want to focus on video. And the second reason is because Google owns YouTube. So can you answer in the questions below, who is Google going to promote first? Is it going to promote YouTube videos or videos from platforms like Vimeo, for example? Of course, it's going to promote videos from YouTube because it owns YouTube. And how does Google make money? Ad revenue, right? And when you watch a video on YouTube, there's an ad on the video, right? Not always, but most of the time. And that's how YouTube makes money. And that's therefore how Google makes money. So it's going to deliver up YouTube videos first. But there are some tricks. How do you actually get your videos to rank? And there are two pieces to that puzzle. And the first piece is you need to understand YouTube SEO strategies. SEO just stands for search engine optimization. And it means telling the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, the program that determines which videos to promote, what your video is about, and who your target audience is, so it can deliver it to the most relevant people, right? The second part of it is that your video needs to have engagement. People need to see your thumbnail and want to click through to watch the video. Then when they're watching the video, they want to stick around and watch the entire video. And then they want to engage with the video by liking the video, by leaving a comment, by sharing the video, and by subscribing to your channel. Those are all triggers that tell the algorithm, wow, people are really enjoying this video, so I should show it to more people like the people who are already watching it. And that's where the highly targeted traffic comes in. When you're using SEO strategies as well as engagement strategies, you're getting the best of both worlds of what the video is about and who it is for, but also how engaging it is. And it will want to deliver your videos up to promote for free for you for life. It's amazing. And I'm so excited for you to learn how to do that. Now, I have created a special video for you. You can hop over here and I'll show you exactly how to structure your videos, both SEO as well as your video script, so that your video is going to rank fast so you can drive evergreen traffic to your website. But on top of that, I'm actually going to show you how to use AI to make it so much faster and to convert even better, because AI understands your target audience even better than you do, because it has you plus all the other people like you. So it has a lot of information to judge from. And I'm so excited. So hop over here next and I'll show you exactly how to structure your videos, the SEO, as well as the engagement aspects of it, using AI to do it really fast. And I can't wait for you to do that. Oh, and if you want, I have a little checklist in the description below that you can print off so that every time you upload a video, you can just check it off and you will know exactly what the SEO strategy is, what the promotion strategy is, and so on. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you over here.